So I went out to work and I made about $160 in 6 hours. That was great, right? However, the next day I woke up and I had to spend $180 fixing my car. What is going on, guys? And welcome to Wrenchettes. When I want to work on this beautiful MKS, my life as well. The day that I went to work, I wasn't even feeling like going to work, but I was like, you know what? I need to hustle, I need to pay them bills, I need to have savings again. I got up, I got changed, and I went to work. The next day, I go to pick it up, and I found my windows cracked and vandalized. So that is my window right now. As you can see, it's cracked everywhere. It got cracks everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see that right, but it is cracked everywhere. And it was smaller, but now it has spread all over the screen here. So I have to change it, and I have no choice. But I didn't want to change it with an aftermarket one. I wanted to get the original one because these windows are double windows, meaning that they repel a lot of noise, and I really love that. Okay, so this is the whole damage of the whole thing. So I got on this pillar right here, so they hit it right there, and then broke the window there, which was smaller here, then just spread out everywhere like that. So this window's really compromised. It's unsafe and embarrassing. So let's take this apart and change this thing out. First thing is first, I want to check out this clip right here. And there's a star pattern there. So let's get started. Let's first take out this clip. One down. Let's take out this panel right here. That's the bolt we need to take out right there. And then I got this off. I got this off. I got the primer over there off. Now we need to take off these bolts, which I think is gonna be a size 10. Yep, a size 10. So far, the one in the middle is a size 10. The ones in the bottom are size 7. And then we have a screwdriver side there. It's a good idea, like, to keep your bolts organized. This is for the middle, the 2 in the bottom, and the 1 on the side, so you don't get it mixed up. So let's take away this one right here. I'm guessing is another size 8. 7, sorry. And the last one would be inside here. There's a cover there that you need to put this thing out and take it out like that. So there's the last one right there. I'm guessing it's a size 10. Okay. Yes, it is a size 10. I like to do it a little with my fingers. It's faster. That's what she said. So that is it. So you got 1 here, 1 here, 1 in the middle, 2 in the bottom, 1 on the side. And you take out this thing right here. So from here, you take the bottle and you pull it like really hard because it's really on there. I don't know why it's so hard. And then you have to pull it hard like that. Disconnect this part right here, and then you pull it upward, upward like that, and then you take it out. 1, 2. Whoops, I thought I was recording, but you push these little handles and this little clip inside, and then it should come out. This one, for some reason, it broke, but I thought I was recording, but I was not. Sorry about that. But yeah, and that's how you take it out. It's supposed to be like this, and it goes inside. And it clips like that. So you just push it inward, and you push it out like that, and it should come out. And then the ball is history. So that's how you take it out. So this is the panel that's off. That's all the bolts you need. Hey, hey, hey!
Big nest.
Eh? A big, wow! The rats made a party up in this car. Look at this. They had a paper party. What the hell? Oh my God. The good old Bronx, huh? So this, as you guys remember, for my OGers, this is an OG car that we used to go to the junkyard with all the time. And unfortunately it's here just collecting dust and being a house party for rats. You gonna restore this car? No?
I'm gonna sell it.
Oh, you're gonna sell it? Well, if you guys want the OG BMW XI hatchback, then just hit him up at his Instagram. We're gonna give you a rat of a deal. So the next step is to remove this panel right here. You take this clip out, pretty easy, and this out. You disconnect this thingy. And you just take it out easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so there you go. This is the panel. So now we take off this weather strip by pushing it up. Just like that. Okay, so the next step in this journey is to take off that speaker so we can have access to the crimper. Okay, I found the real size is 1/4 is the real size of that speaker, right? See? That's a speaker. So now we're gonna temporarily connect this one back so we could lower the window, see if we could access it or locate the locking tabs. So let's try to put this back. It is what it is? Oh no, this. Jesus. So I'm supposed to take this off so I can access that. I really don't like taking this thing off because it never goes back the way it should. These are the mechanism right here. These are the locking tabs right here. So this is the thing that you're supposed to take out. So the way that you do it, or I found out that I do, is you put the screwdriver in there, and that white tab right there, you push it inward until you can push that black stuff up. So let me try to do it. If you guys can see it like this. So you push this all the way so you can push that window up. Okay, so let's try to do it. I don't know if you guys can see, I hope you can. I'm pushing it up and then it slides up like that. So then you do the same thing for this side. So after you take off on this locking tab, you take off that locking tab. Now that one was a little bit tricky. What I did was I got a longer flathead screwdriver and I lowered it enough so I could see the entrance. See the entrance here? A little hole. And then I pushed the tab through there and pushed it up. So now it's unclipped. So now what I'm gonna do is take off the actual mirror right there. So that's how you take off that one and that one. It's a little bit tricky, but if you have a longer flathead screwdriver, you just push it in, just like you did here, in the little hole that it has here too. How I took it out, look at this. this thing, it got hit right there and then it started cracking everywhere. So this is the old one, it has the tabs right here. The way that I took it out, I tipped it outward like that, and then I push it like on the side like that, and then it came out. And this is the new one. Hopefully it brings the tabs. Look right here. This is a brand new, comes with the tabs. It's all good, the same part number. So I'm gonna install it in the reverse order as I put it in. Hopefully I don't crack it. So I'm gonna put it. No.
Bueno, aquella suya no hay que meterlo todo ahí como. No, claro. Una cosa que van a ir esas mujeres van a estar. Van viendo vehículos, yo voy con uno. ¿A qué hora es? Por la mañana, por las 9:30.
And the mirror is in. So now I'm gonna make sure it goes down to the locking tabs and it locks. One is locked. So let's try it out. So the locking tabs are right there. It's in. And that one went in as well. It's hard to see again, but you can see that is under too. So yeah, that is it. So now we're gonna install everything in the reverse order. So if you found this video informational or it's gonna help you in any type of way, please give me a like on this video and consider subscribing. Until next time guys, God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.